Name?
Abdullah Shahidan.
By the way, Mr. Abdullah, you have come for my 4th-day session. Today is the 4th day. You have gone through 3 days. Now, why did you come for this 4-day EQSP seminar?
Well, the first thing is for my overall health, because I do have some joint pain, my thyroid, and for fear of my late father who actually died because of cancer. So I thought it could be very good for me to learn this key synergy to avoid any possible infection of any kind of disease lah.
By the way, how is your pain that you mentioned that day you had? How is your feeling for the pain today?
Yeah, I think it's gone. My joint pain at the knee, even in the neck, it was a little bit swollen earlier. Now it's basically have gone down. And then my back pain is, I think, gone. For that matter, I feel good, until today.
By the way, have you seen other medical health providers?
No. I've been doing some, meditation, practicing kind of thing, but not the way I go through these 4 days, because I do believe, having learned earlier a little bit of Wai Tang Kung and the rest, if I may mention, but I think the technique that you have taught is different, because you have synergized the body, the movement, and the mind together with Qi movement. I think that is a lot different from what I've attended before.
Do you find it effective for your health now?
I think it is. It is working on me, and I would recommend others to actually come and join up these classes to actually learn how to practice this, this technique for the overall health.
By the way, when you learn the other type of art, could you get rid of your pains?
Oh no, some maybe even more painful.
You mean you were more painful after practicing that?
Yes, because maybe the technique is not proper. The technique is not proper.
So in this after 3 days session, you were able to eliminate your pain. Do you find it is rather miraculous, without any medicine and without anything?
I think, thank God, I've been able to eventually use it, for me, and have been able to use my own mind actually with your assistance to, after teaching me the technique, to actually improve. I think I have achieved what I want.
By the way, when you first come the time, after learning the other and not getting the result, were you at first a bit skeptical?
Oh yes, I was, because this, Qi Kung and the rest, even though I heard it is good, but I have not really gone through. But for me, I said there's no harm trying, explore the possibility, explore the knowledge, And because to me, as a Muslim, I would like to relate to the Prophet who is saying, learn knowledge even up to China. So I think it is good, even coming from Chinese friends and all. I am willing to learn, because I'm sure there's something good in it which we do not know. So that's why I come for it.
By the way, are you a believer in the system now?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Most welcome.